Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we're gonna talk about daffodils. Daffodils are one of the easiest plant to grow from bulbs. I have grown them from bulbs in autumn season and they bloom in late winter or early spring. Though traditional daffodil flower may be yellow in color, but there are actually more than 50 species and over 25,000 hybrids of daffodils. They will thrive best when they are planted in full sun. At least 6 hours of bright sun is required for the proper bloom. When the plant is kept under shade, the plant will still produce green leaves but they won't bloom. As daffodils are very hardy plant, they can tolerate a range of soils but they can grow best in rich and well-drained soil. During the growing season, the soil must be kept moist but not soggy. When kept too much wet, the bulb may start to rot, so make sure that you plant them in a well-drained soil and the pot has at least one drainage hole. As they need lot of water while they are growing, water the plant when you see the top layer of the soil is dry. Continue watering till blooming time, but after blooming, you can stop watering the plant. As daffodils has huge varieties, the hardiness will also vary with the variety. Most daffodils need a cold period to set roots, which is why they are planted in autumn. But there are certain division of daffodils which grows in warmer climates when sufficient water is given. If the soil is rich, then no extra fertilizer is required. But if you have poor soil or the plants are not flowering as much as they should, then add some fertilizer when the leaves first emerge and then again feed the plant when they start flowering. Daffodils contain oxalic acid which makes them resistant to most rodent pests, but they are susceptible to pests like fly, mites and slugs and other fungal infection. Sometimes they suddenly stop flowering. This condition is called going blind. The reason behind this may be an insect problem, too much shade, or the bulb may have moved too deep in the soil. After blooming, remove the faded flower, otherwise they will spend a lot of time and energy in creating seeds. Allow the leaves to turn yellow and die back. Do not cut them down earlier because they need time to store energy in the bulbs for next year's bloom. Over time, they will produce new daughter bulbs that are attached to the main bulb which you planted originally. You can leave the bulb in the ground. Next year, the leaves will come from the bulb. Or you may also remove the bulbs, let them air dry and put them in a dry container because they go dormant during the summer and prefer a drier soil. I'll be uploading detailed video regarding the care of the plant after blooming, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the video. So all things considered, daffodils are very easy to care for and a great plant for beginner plant parents.